Now bazalwane bami, uma uJesu engabuyanga njengoba athi uzobuya kubapostoli, because they were really waiting for him. Nebandla lokuqala lalimlindile. uJesu kumenza abe umkhonyana unjani? Unjani? Unamanga. Bamlinde simlinde wakhatha adlula le generation, kwadlula le generation, kwadlula le generation, kwadlula le generation. Should he's not a faithful husband. He's not been able to perform. But mina ngizela ukuzokutshela ukuthi ibandla aliliyona ingoduso selingumakoti lashada. The church is already married. Jesu wafika. Revelation chapter number 21 wathi, it is finished. Behold, I make all things new. Thina sithi uJesu has already come. Thina sithi the church has already entered into a marriage. Ibandla alisiyo nje ingoduso. Uma kungukuthi sisalindele uJesu ukuthi abuye, then ngoba iJerusalem ephelele ishalisiyo nje indawo ephezulu. Nayo ke leyo.
Okay.
No, I thought, Lord, I want to be there. Yini iJerusalem elisha? Awufunde lapha iBhayibheli lakho. Revelations 21 verse 7, and then we close. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my last contribution in this topic. Nganizange entabeni ethintwayo, but you have come to Mount Zion, to the holy Jerusalem. To the church of the firstborn, and to the spirits made holy, and unto the blood of Jesus, which speaks great things than the blood of Abel.